Alright, welcome to Art Trails with I Just Arted. My plan is, because I have to be off this trail by dark, my plan is to hike up, take some pictures, maybe some video of this waterfall up here, and then come back and paint it. I keep catching glimpses of that bike trail over there, and it's slightly closer to where I want to end up, which makes sense considering that bikes can go faster than people walking, so you'd want them to have a shorter path to wherever they're going. So I give you a couple glimpses of me hiking this trail. Someone in the comments said I should get a selfie stick, and I think that'd just add more weight, wouldn't it? Oh. Down here, that's a natural golf course. It grew there by itself. Oh my gosh. Why would you ever walk anywhere when you just drive there? We're going to get slightly closer to the bike trail, and then go away from the bike trail. Oh. Cool. That's a rattlesnake. That was a straight up rattlesnake. Did you hear that? Gosh dang. Well, I can't go back that way. F nature. Looks like. So there's the path I came on. There's the other path. I think I'm gonna go back that way when I go back. Avoid that rattlesnake. That was crazy. There's a post in the ground. No sign on it. So that's cool. Don't even think I'm halfway there yet. So this is fun. Just love nature, you know? So this is the episode where you get to see more of the trail. Oh, good. These are naturally growing stairs. Obviously, they look like nature. Makes them naturally growing stairs. Alright. So somewhere down there, made a wrong turn. Ended up on private property somehow. Of course, it could have been all the really confusing signs. And took a picture of that. So we get up here, and it turns out we got ripped off and there's no waterfall. And I'll just paint that. Be easy. Maybe we'll see another snake. Who knows? All kinds of fun stuff could happen. Alright, so we got up there, and there wasn't much water. There's not enough for there to be a waterfall right now. So, going back down, gonna avoid the direction we saw that rattlesnake in. Man, I hope you can see that, or hear it on the video. But I was only like 2 feet away from it. It's not far enough for him to get me, but close enough that he didn't like me there. Kept me out of his way, and I'll stay out of his way. So, really, I guess you just got the Trails edition of Art Trails. A little less art, a lot more trails. If I paint something, I'll throw it on here. And if I do paint something, I'll delete this part. But it is a nice trail. This is the 29th Street trailhead for Waterfall Canyon. I guess it's probably not a lot nicer, bigger waterfall earlier in the summer. So I really wish I had a drone for this particular segment in my channel, because I'd love to give you guys just an aerial view of everything I'm seeing. It's pretty cool. So, since I don't have a drone, we're gonna try it this way. Ready? Here we go. One down. Heard some weird noises. Like that right there. I don't know if you can hear that in the video. Probably just aliens, it's fine. Nothing we haven't dealt with before here on Art Trails. Look at this. Those mountains out there. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. As you can see, I am painting over an old painting. One that I messed up. Because one of these greens right down here is an oil paint that got mixed into my acrylics, which sucks. I think this is one of those times where my color blindness is not helping me at all. So I'm not entirely sure what I'm painting down here. Probably best if I stop here. So this has been our Trails edition of I Just Arted, where I went out and you saw me hiking out on a trail, and usually I'd go out and paint what I saw, but it was too dry for a waterfall, just too far into summer, I guess. So we'll have to try again next year or something like that. Saw a snake. That was fun. So this painting is actually a suggestion from a fan, and so I do take your suggestions into consideration. I do want feedback from you guys, and also I've decided to start shouting out comments that we get, because I've been starting to get more and more comments. Pro to cons says, confession, I did not watch the whole thing, but granted, I was watching closely for the first 3 minutes and loved the new intro. Very well invested in and great work. Humor too. What else to expect from an artist, LOL. Then secretly skipped to the end to see how it turned out. Pro to cons? That's fine. So thanks for watching Art Trails with I Just Arted. Make sure you get your suggestions down in the comments below. Maybe your suggestion will become a painting. Maybe it won't. Maybe I won't like it that much. That's fine. Still, go comment, because your comment might be shouted out at the end of one of my art trails. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hit the like button so I know you liked the video. And that's it. Hope you had fun, and we'll see you next time.